A.U.M. 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 is an abbreviation of Om. It's a special sound because it's divided within the three letters of A.U.M. A.U.M. It invokes the unconscious, the subconscious, and the conscious together. It's a sound that will create unity of these three different layers of perception. So try it out. Try these sounds at least 7 to 11 times. You'll feel the difference, especially these days, like stopping, pausing, and coming together again first for yourself so you can be available to others on a better level is sometimes crucial, fundamental, I would say. And no one can say that they don't have a minute to pause. So bringing unity between the subconscious, the unconscious, the subconscious, and the conscious creates being present, being alive in the moment. And I want to invite you to participate in a 10-week of actually embracing some of these practices as they are framed through the tarot. It's basically a path of insight, power, and purpose where you bring these three areas together through the apparatus of the tarot. This 10 weeks called Tarot Quest, and we're starting a new round of it on September 8th, and it's basically how to see reality through the veil, how to see the message of the unconscious, the subconscious, and bring it to a conscious level. So if you have any questions, if you have any curiosity about it, I would love to have a conversation with you. We offer, in the next 2 weeks, we offer really reduced tuition fee. You can look at the information below this video, and I would love to hear from you. Also, as a numerologist, I offer a very affordable hour reading called Summer Blast. And if you're interested in that, there is a link below as well. Hari Om. Aum.